beautiful girl.
That was incredible.
Where did she come from?
And you? Did you see her?
She was there, above the village.
She was asleep.
But why? And how?
Please come back. Where have you gone?
What is he doing? Lee, come back.
Yeah, come back.
Is it me you're looking for? No, I'm looking for an angel.
Oh, then it's me.
No, she's a beautiful girl.
Did you say beautiful? Ah, it would be me then.
It's me.
Oh, no, it's me.
It's me.
Oh, no,
It's
me.
me.
It's me.
It's me.
It's me.
Me.
It's me. You're not the one. It's me.
It's me.
It's me, not you, me, six, it's me.
It's me. Don't kid yourself. It's me. It's me.
Me.
It's me. It's me. You're not the one. It's me.
Not you, Missy. It's me.
It's me, don't kid yourself, it's me. It's me. It's actually me.
Hey, Oscar's coming.
Oh, Oscar.
Hello, Oscar. Who is that?
Hello. Hello, Lee. Who are you? And how do you know my name?
I'm Oscar, and I have always lived here. So I know many things.
Huh?
I also know who you're looking for.
Who is she? Where is she?
Well, she's Princess Annie. But finding her is not going to be that easy.
You won't find her. Take me.
No, take me.
Oh, no. Please. Take me.
Oscar, tell me where to find her.
Princess Annie fell asleep a long time ago. Your song made her appear, but she is still under the enchantment of the sleeping village.
She's sleeping.
How can I awaken her then?
Maybe your voice is pure enough to break the charm. Try singing again.
Try it, Lee. Try singing again.
But be careful.